Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by acting fast. Check that your system meets only Waze minimums and that at least 20 GB of free disk exists. Next, update your GPU drivers to the latest stable WHQL or the vendor-recommended release because outdated drivers cause crashes. Once done, open the platform client and run a file integrity check or repair. This replaces corrupt assets. Make sure to run the game as administrator after repair, and note any initial error codes for later steps. Now you move into deeper troubleshooting. Disable all overlays, Steam, Discord, GeForce Experience, and any recording or FPS tools, because they commonly inject into the process and cause instability. Then perform a clean boot, disabling startup apps and non-Microsoft services to isolate conflicts. Once done, reproduce the crash while capturing the timestamp, and examine game logs in documents or app data for error strings. These tell you which module failed. If logs for final recovery, uninstall only way and reinstall it to a different drive or clean folder to avoid leftover corrupted files. Reset GPU control panel settings to defaults and reinstall DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables, because runtime conflicts often crash the game. If the problem persists, produce a DX-diag, package the game logs and crash dumps, and contact support with those attachments. One key troubleshooting tip. If crashes only occur after an update, roll back the GPU driver to the prior stable version and test again.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.